In this video, I would like to uh, repeat the concept that I taught you in the class, which is the relation between longitude and time. And some of you had a little confusion uh, while solving the problems of longitude and time. Okay, let's try to revise what we have learned in the class. So let's start with the knowledge. Let's start with what you already know, right? You know the Earth's eastward movement of rotation. So with that given knowledge, what we know, each and every place on one longitude, all those places face the sun in the same time, which means all those places would have same local time, and any meridian or any longitude which lies east of it are basically ahead in time because of the eastward rotation of earth, and any longitude that lies west of that longitude would be behind in time. That is also again because of the eastward spin of earth. So by considering that fact, so we can come to conclusion of this full form: EGA, east gain add, WS west lose subtract. Right, if you are moving eastwards from any reference meridian, from any reference longitude, we generally add time, and if you are moving west from any reference longitude, we subtract time. So how much time shall we subtract? It depends on how many longitudes you are moving east or west from the reference longitude. Let's look at a simple example. Now you take the reference longitude as 0 degree longitude, 0 degree meridian, which is Greenwich. Consider the local time at 0 degree is 12 p.m., and hence here 0 degree becomes the reference meridian for this calculation. And then if you want to find out the local time at 1 degree eastern longitude, so which means 0 and next degree of longitude is 1 degree, that lies east of it because it is having direction as E. So what would be the time there? It is 12 hours, which is the reference meridian local time, and plus 4 minutes. You already know why I'm adding 4 minutes. The difference of time between each longitude is 4 minutes. You know this fact. So I simply added this difference of longitude, difference of time to the reference meridian local time. So hence it becomes 12:04 p.m. Now what would be the local time of 1 degree west here? Since 1 degree west lies west of it, as per WS, west lose subtract. So there is a degree of difference between reference and the given longitude is 1 degree. So I am subtracting 4 minutes. So the hence time becomes 11:56. Now let's go further, elaborate into that concept. Now all I did is I know the reference meridian and the local time of that meridian, and I know which longitude local time I have to find. And what I did, I have subtracted the, or I have found the difference of longitude, correct? And second step, I have calculated the difference of time, and then added or subtracted depends on the which hemisphere that is located. Now in this case, the local time is 12 p.m. at Greenwich. Then need to find out the local time of 15 degrees eastern longitude. So what is my reference longitude here? Greenwich, 0 degree. What is the meridian local time that I have to find? 15 degrees that lies east of meridian. This is the indication. So first step, I have to do difference of longitude to be found. How can I do that? Difference of longitude is nothing but the meridian that you have to find the local time minus the reference. It is 15. 15 minus 0 is 15 degrees. That is the difference of longitude. Now next step, before we go to next step, what you need to understand here, this is a very important point. If you are calculating time difference of longitudes which are in same hemisphere, let's say 15 degrees east to 45 degrees east. Both are lies in same hemisphere, right? We can simply subtract from 45 minus 15. So you get the difference of longitudes. We can subtract if the longitudes belong to same hemisphere. Imagine if the longitudes belongs to two different hemispheres. Imagine you have a local time of 45 degrees and you need to find local time of 15 degrees east. So now these two longitudes are from different hemispheres. In that case, to find the difference of longitude, we add both meridians. So 45 plus 15, then that would be around 60. That is the difference of longitudes. This is a very important point that you need to remember. Now that is in step 1. Step 2, what I have to do, I have to find difference of time. So what is the hint that I have? We know for every degree earth that spins, it takes 4 minutes. So by using that hint, so how can I find difference of time? Difference of longitude into 4 minutes, because each degree spins in 4 minutes. So in this case, difference of longitude is 15 and I have to multiply with 4. So that is 15 into 4, that is 60 minutes. Obviously, it is 1 hour. So the difference of time between 0 and 15 is 1 hour. Now, what I have to do with this? Step 3, I need to determine the position of longitude with reference to given meridian. Given meridian is 0 degree, and the longitude that I have to find is 15 degrees east. So that lies east of it. So according to EGA, east gain add. So we just have to, if the meridian lies east of reference meridian, we add the time. If the meridian lies west of the reference meridian, then we subtract. So simply I just have to add this 1 hour to the reference meridian local time. Here it is 12 p.m. If I add 1 hour to 12 p.m., that would become 1 p.m. That is the local time of 15 degrees. Same in the same way, 15 degrees west, we just have to subtract 1 hour. That is as simple as that. So only point that you need to remember is this EG and WS, and then whether you are finding difference of longitudes from one hemisphere or different hemispheres. Rest all is cakewalk. Hope you will do the solutions. So let's take one example. Here, what is the reference meridian? 100 degrees west. They have given local time, and I have to find local time of 45 degrees west. So both are in same hemisphere. Now, first step I have to subtract with these longitudes to find the difference of longitude, then multiply with 4 minutes. Whatever time I get, since 45 west lies east of 100 degrees west, I simply add the time. That's as simple as that. Okay. So and do enjoy solving remaining problems. This is very important with respect to NTSE. There will be one question but every now and then. So try to do this. If you have any doubt, let me know in Edmodo comment section. Okay. Good. Happy exploring.